Twist Mixx offers a complete product line with the Ecologo certification. EcoNet is an all-purpose neutral cleaner, especially efficient against calcium stains. Eco Plus is a neutral cleaner formulated to be used on a daily basis. EcoQuat is a neutral quaternary ammonium disinfectant cleaner that eliminates dirt and most resistant pathogens. EcoStrip is a floor stripper that belies those who think that a product cannot be both super effective and environmentally friendly. EcoTech is an efficient and eco-friendly product that you can use for the bathroom. EcoVision is a glass cleaner formulated to prevent streaking that easily eliminates fingerprints, grease, oil, and dirt.